Hello student, good morning. Previous video we have seen part 1, the half portion of the part 1. Bipin Chaudhary lapse memory. Okay, totally he lapsed memory in previous video. Okay, we have seen he lost his memory. Okay, one person, his name was Parimal Ghosh. Okay, he was a eyewitness. He insists he was in Ranchi and we were met every day, but the Bipin Chaudhary was not ready to accept his answer. So today's video we are going to start the next portion of this lesson, page number 49. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Woodrow and cut your right knee. Means Bipin Chaudhary, frequently he said, I have never been to Ranchi, I have never been to Ranchi, you are making mistake by hearing this answer. The man started laughing and he said, what are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? आप क्या बोल रहे हो? You had a fall in Woodrow. Woodrow is one name, You had a fall in Woodrow and cut your right knee. And that time you cut your right knee. I brought you iodine, and when you cut your right knee that time, I brought for you iodine. Iodine I had mixed up a car for you to go, Netrot, and I had fixed a car for you. When you cut your right knee, that time I had fixed a car for you to go Netrot. The next day, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Can't you recall? When we were gone to, you can say Woodrow Fall that time, we went there by car, and that time you cut your knee, and I bought iodine, and in next program, I arranged for you where Netrot. That time also I fixed a car for you, but you couldn't because of the pain. That time you was not able to come with me because that time you had a pain in the right knee. Can't you recall anything? आपको ये सब बातें याद नहीं आ रही है? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, and Dinesh Mukherjee was also witness. He was also with you. He stayed in Bangla. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by Bawarchi. And we were staying in one, you can say Bangla, that time Mr. Dinesh was with you, and you said that I don't like the hotel food. I prefer to have your means cooked by Bawarchi. मतलब जो बावर्ची ने खाना बनाया हुआ है वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. आई डोंट लाइक द होटल फूड. एंड मिस्टर मुखर्जी स्टेड विथ हिज सिस्टर. दैट टाइम मिस्टर मुखर्जी वाज accompany with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing, remember? And you had, we can say, argument with Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee on the topic of moon landing. मतलब तुम दोनों के बीच में क्या हुआ था? आर्गुमेंट हुआ था. किस टॉपिक के ऊपर? मून लैंडिंग. रिमेंबर दैट इंसिडेंट. आई विल टेल यू मोर. यू ऑलवेज कैरीड अ बैग विथ योर बुक्स इन इट ऑन योर साइट बीइंग ट्रिप्स. आई एम द राइट और नॉट? एंड आई विल टेल यू मोर मीन्स आई एम द टोटल विटनेस. I have, you can say, more knowledge about your life, your past life. You always carried a bag. You always carried a bag with your books. And with your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? Bipin Babu spoke quietly. His eyes still on the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? So, all this incident was saying, who was saying? Mr. Parimal Ghosh. When Mr. Parimal Ghosh saw to Bipin Chaudhary in Kalicharan bookstall, he thought that he is a Bipin Chaudhary, but our narrator Bipin Chaudhary is not ready to accept he was Bipin Chaudhary, and he was at Ranchi in 1958. Bipin spoke quietly, his eyes still on the book. Okay, both were in the book stall, okay, of Kalicharan, and they were, you can say, argument to each others. Which month in 58 are you talking about? The Bipin Babu asked to the person, which month in 58? 58 में कौन से month में? The man said October. No sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with friends in Kanpur. He said I spent puja in 58. In 58 में मैं कहाँ पे था? पूजा with friend in कानपुर. मैं कानपुर में था. Okay, I was not in Ranchi in 58. You are making a mistake. Good day. Once again you are making a mistake. I am really telling you, I was not Ranchi in 1958. I was where I was? I was in Kanpur with my friends. Means you told all these things. This all the story is totally wrong. But the man didn't go, nor he stopped, nor he did he stop. But the man was also firm on his decision, on his witness. Okay, he didn't stop talking. Very strange. One evening, means he started talking. Very strange. One evening, I had a tea with you in veranda of your bangla. Okay, once evening, okay, I had a tea with you. एक बार शाम को हम दोनों ने आपके बंगला का मीन्स इन बंगला आपके बंगला में हमने दोनों ने वरांडा में चाय पिया था. यू स्पोक अबाउट योर फैमिली एंड दैट टाइम यू स्पोक अबाउट योर फैमिली. ओके, व्हेन वी वेर ड्रिंकिंग अ टी, ओके, इन योर बंगला at that time you were telling a story about your family. You said that you had no children. आपने क्या बताया था? You had no children. And that you have lost, and that you have lost your wife 10 years ago. Means 10 years ago your wife passed away. Your only brother had died insane, and you had one brother and he died due to the insanity, insane, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. And okay, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. So, okay, I think you have to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi because you lapsed your memory. You didn't recall all these things. Okay, means about your family also you have told me, your brothers, okay, your wife, your childrens, okay, all these things I know very well. And one evening, okay, we drank a tea with you in your bangla. So when Bipin Babu had paid for the books, was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. So okay, both we are talking in in bookstall of Kalicharan's. So when Bipin Babu had paid, okay, that time means all of you know, every Monday mornings Bipin Babu, okay, was buying books. Which type of books? Ghost stories, okay, thrills, okay, this type of, okay, every Monday morning he was, means at a time he was buying 5 books. So Bipin Babu had paid for the books, उसके पैसे उन्होंने दिए, and was leaving the shop, and he left that shop. The man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. That time the man was, okay, looking at to him, Bipin Babu, okay, utter disbelief. The meaning of utter disbelief means complete surprise. Okay, he thought that complete surprise. He thought that how the person he is. He didn't know about his past life. How the person is crazy person. He is a crazy person because okay, we lived together in Ranchi. We spent many, you can say, times. We spent many times with him, and the person is not ready to accept all these things. Means I thought the Bipin Babu had gone mad or crazy. Okay, this way, dear student, next video we will see next portion of this lesson. Thank you.